Have you watched Mami, an inspiring and educative film? Mami, the movie that is the talk in every household. The story began like this. A motherly advice. A mother's love for money and tongue of fire. But they wedded all the same. Upon promises of sweet and happy future. And happy they were. They went everywhere together. Bought presents to each other. Ate together happily. Small differences notwithstanding. This is where the problems began.
Okay, hesiati. No soke okay go re karatu kega. Ina gatua guginya iro. Tidawaje. Nwedete maido. Ninde mwendete.
Oh, mother-in-law, what are you saying?
Agikoro ni umwendete ri. Ona ndire mukuru. Na agikoro no wende witi. No twethe kanyumba. Atauga ati. Oigata mami gwako.
And watch this. All the promises are broken. Who is to blame?
John.
Marketed and distributed by JKN Production, Simla House, Tomboya Street, cell phone 0722643175. Now, who is to blame? Mami, the movie you will enjoy to the end. Look at this family confrontation.
John.
And it ended this way. Hey, get your copy now. You won't regret.
Shana Iheanago Negai, a film directed by Jimmy K. Njavia. It's a story of family confrontation. What do you do when your mother demands you give her a grandson? How about when she insists you must get married?
I love you. You love me.
Now on sale in every music shop. Informers with bad intentions are also there. Well, they don't accept anybody's money except from their clients.
Any flavor. ingĩmũria nĩ wande mũngĩigua ta ndĩramũhenia mũtuĩrie ũhoro ũcio kahora
Kiki ndio horo nginya at least ũnjũrie ũrĩa ndari.
Atia kumakati na ũru nĩ gũkorwo rĩngĩ busy church home.
Carol is happy. She will be getting married soon.
Oh, he's fine. Guess what? Aniradora mushiko kukona kuyade.
But little did she know that her in-law to be had a different idea.
Are you pregnant?
Oh no sir, I'm not. Besides, ithuĩ tũrĩ honoku na tũtingĩka maũndũ ta macio.
Carol runs from the disgusted family, but Ken won't let go.
Let's talk about this. Please.
Leave me alone.
Please,
there is
Carlo.
nothing to talk about.
Please, Carlo.
Please,
Forget
leave
about
me.
it. Forget about it. Tumira kiungo gĩaku wega mũno. Maũndũ nĩ macenjetie mũno thikũ ici.
Oh, is this really true?
Make sure mũirĩtu ũrĩa ũrahikia ena nda
Pregnant? Gieda. Ken. Nĩ wariganĩrwo nĩ honokio waku. Tondũ tu thoguo nĩ araria ũru. Just like that.
Ken, you are my son. Ndimenete mũndũ ũcio orona hanini. But for the sake of peace in this house, sharia moyo wetu.
No, mama.
Will Ken be able to go it alone? Find out. Get your copy now. Buy it. Watch it. See it. Utaipenda. Oh, what a sad moment. Shiana iheanagwo nĩ Ngai. A feeling for you. A feeling for the whole family. Don't miss it. Get your copy now. Marketed and distributed by JKN Productions. Cell 0722 643 175.
Have you watched Rose, the current blockbuster movie? Rose had a school-time boyfriend and a very brutal, harsh auntie. And a rich family who wanted their American-educated son to marry a lady from their tribe. Watch Rose's aunt quench for money. Rose, our new release that will really thrill you all the way through and leave you agape at the end. Finally, Rose married this brute. Their house became a battlefield. Produced and distributed by JKN Productions. Oh, an innocent lady experienced this kind of brutality. Her mother was not spared either.
Please, reke ndĩmuone o ndagĩka ĩmwe.
Oh, niĩ ndũramakia.
You have never witnessed this kind of brutality before.
Hey, Tom!
Was this her man, really? At least this is what was her future dream. Now the brute regrets his action. Oh, then down on his knees he apologizes. Now buy it, watch it, see it. Utaipenda. Come on, put on your boots and run for your copy now. You can't miss it.